What is going on, guys? Welcome to Greggles TV. We have something cool here. We have the Whitestone dome glass for the Galaxy Note 20 and Note 20 Ultra. Now this, you've known this, I've done videos on this before. This is gonna be a product that gives you full protection for your screen. So if you drop it, it's gonna protect it. But they also came out with another new product, at least this year, I didn't see this last year, that actually protects the glass on your camera as well. Because if you know, you've probably seen Galaxy S20 Ultras and now the Note 20 Ultra as well. It has a big camera bump on the back, and people have complained about cracking glass, at least on the S20 Ultra. This hopefully will fix that because this is a glass protection on that camera, all that glass right there. So let's do an unboxing on this, check this out, and if you want to pick it up, I'll link it down below. All right, so let's first talk about their glass protectors for the camera bump on the back. You can see for the Note 20 and Note 20 Ultra. I don't remember them having this product in the past for this. This is nice to see, especially when you check out something like a Note 20 Ultra. And again, you have that huge camera bump on the side here. And the Note 20 Ultra is gonna be very, very similar to what we get with the S20 Ultra. Huge camera bump. So to have glass on top of that is really gonna be nice. So some of the stuff they say about this Whitestone Easy Tempered Glass Camera Protector is they say you get best coverage. Tempered glass is #1 in protecting your entire Samsung Galaxy S20 Ultra back cameras. You also get superb protection, protects your camera from daily scratches, dust scrapes, and normal signs of wear. Bubble free, the screen protector will get you 0 to very minimal bubbles during application, and then it also says smooth real glass. So let's open one of these up right here so you can get an indication of what comes inside of the box here. Should be a very simple kit, especially compared to what comes in here. If you've never seen what comes in here, it's pretty intense. Swab cleansers, clean off the glass. You get 2 of these. You get a microfiber cloth to clean off your device as well. A walkthrough of how to install the glass. Stickers to get any lint off. And then lastly, you get 2 glass protectors. So if the first one you apply doesn't look good or breaks or whatever the reason, you have another one. So it's nice to see that they're including 2 here. You don't have to, buy a second set. Very cool stuff. And you can see very clear. It should be very easy to install. Just press it onto the back of the glass for that Note 20, Note 20 Ultra. So like I said earlier, if you want to buy the Note 20 or Note 20 Ultra for these glass protectors, I will link it in the description down below. And then finally, we have the Whitestone dome glass screen protectors, and have it for the Note 20, Note 20 Ultra, and it also comes in a 2-pack. I don't remember this coming in a 2-pack. Maybe it did before, but it seems new to me, this coming in a 2-pack. So again, you get 2 pieces of glass in here if you need it, and it also works with the ultrasonic fingerprint sensor, as it always has, and it also is you do this, it's fun, kind of crazy, with adhesive curing UV light. So very interesting process. And a little bit about this, you're gonna get an advanced solution for ultrasonic fingerprint, like I said, so it will work with that. But what they're gonna have you do is once you do apply this, they're gonna have you redo your ultrasonic fingerprint sensor. So just keep that in mind. The original best coverage, this has been out for years. So this is, people live and die by this product. Bubble-free installation kit. Blue light cut feature, so it's gonna cut some of the blue light. Also, it's designed for Samsung. It's part of their official SMAP, as they call it, Samsung Mobile Accessory Partnership Program member. So it's an official accessory type of thing. Samsung doesn't make it, but Samsung, I guess, authorizes it. And then lastly, you get a limited lifetime warranty. All right, so let's open up this Note 20 Ultra one. You get all your paperwork, limited lifetime warranty. You get should be an installation guide right here to walk you through how to install it. And it comes with all the tools and the glass and stuff. There's 2 pieces of glass right here. So if you mess it up the first time, or maybe you drop your phone one day and you break the glass, you'll have a second piece that you can use to install it again. You get everything here, all the tools to set this up in order to get it going. It's a pretty interesting setup of how to do everything on here. You can see, super interesting. Like I remember this came out a few years back now at this point, but it's just like the things they thought up to do this is pretty crazy. And then the last part, we also have this stuff, which is going to be like the wipes and things like that, the stickers, all that stuff to get it cleaned up. And then lastly, you have your UV light. So basically, when you apply the glass, you put this over it and it kind of like melts it or sets it into the glass into the phone, so it adhesives, whatever the word is, to the phone so that it protects your glass. and it comes with a micro USB. Is that micro? Yeah, micro USB, and then you would just plug this into like one of your bricks to get it going. And that's it, and this would sit over the phone after you apply all this stuff right here. So pretty interesting process. Available now if you want to pick it up. I'll link it down below. Thanks for watching, guys. See you down the road. Peace.